falls from a tree, and Newton wonders, why? That simple question led to one of the most important discoveries ever, the law of gravity. He realized that the same force that pulls an apple to the ground also keeps the planets in orbit around the sun. But Newton didn't stop there. He created the three laws of motion, the foundation of modern physics. He invented calculus, a new kind of mathematics. He also studied light and discovered that white light is made up of all the colors of the rainbow. Newton was more than a scientist. He was a thinker, a mathematician, an astronomer, and even a philosopher. His most famous book, Principia Mathematica, published in 1687, changed science forever. It explained how the universe began with a single point, how matter is made of tiny particles that move like tiny billiard balls, and how the planets move through space. For centuries, people had believed the Earth was the center of the universe. But Newton showed that the sun, not the Earth, is at the center of our solar system. He calculated how light changes direction when it passes through a prism, and discovered that white light is made up of all the colors of the rainbow. He also developed calculus, a way of measuring change, which is pretty much everything in the universe. Newton used calculus to calculate the area under a curve, which is now called the Newton method. And he used calculus to calculate the volume of a sphere, which is now called the Newton formula. Newton was born in 1643 in England. He died in 1727. When he was 23, he became the master of Trinity College, Cambridge. Later, he would become the warden and then master of the Royal Mint. He was knighted by Queen Anne in 1705 and died a Sir Isaac Newton. Newton's ideas are still being used today. For example, Newton's laws of motion are used to calculate the trajectory of rockets, and his work on calculus is used in everything from engineering to economics to physics. So next time you see an apple fall from a tree, remember to ask yourself why. Because that's how one of the greatest scientists in history changed the world. This has been Isaac Newton in 100 seconds. If you want to see more short videos like this, hit the like button.
Thanks for watching.